Hi everybody, it's me, Liana, with my sister,
Nalina.
and we're going to be doing a DIY lip balm. So the things you'll be needing are a crayon. We already peeled and cracked a piece into
Our container,
which is the next thing on the list. What you need, a container, and it's can be plastic or
hard plastic.
a hard plastic or a paper cup. Just don't put it in for too long. And then you'll also be needing chapstick, which is also in here already, and a container to put it in, and some toothpicks. So we already kind of started breaking this thing up, and what I said before was whatever piece you cracked, you just want a little, like the littlest bit less of your chapstick than you do your crayon. That way it actually kind of gets the pigment all the way through. Anyways, yeah, so we started microwaving it. So let's continue to microwave this
Because the crayon is not melting. And what you want to do is like put it in for like 30 seconds.
Yes. About 30 seconds. But it might take a couple of 30 seconds for ours because our microwave isn't that great. But yeah. And we don't have fast forward, so we can't really fast forward this video. There's time, so we're just gonna have to wait. But on the plus side, it gives your lip color, and it medicates it because we're using the medicated one. Focus. Oh, it's not focusing. But it says it's a chapstick. The skin protected one. It's medicated. It says right there. It's backwards on the camera, but it says medicated. Medicated. The plastic medicated. And that's the one we're using. Did the crayon melt yet?
Yeah.
Okay, take it out.
No,
Be careful, it might be hot.
it is.
Just hold it by the rim.
That's probably where it's hot.
Give me.
The crayon didn't melt. It melted a little bit, but the chapstick mostly melted.
Yeah.
It didn't melt.
Let's see this then. See, the crayon is beginning to melt. Finally.
If the crayon doesn't melt, then just put it in for like another 30 seconds.
We're going to poke some holes in them so it gets all the way in and everywhere. So it's easier. See, the cup is starting to turn pink. Anyway, put it back in the microwave.
Okay, for 30 seconds?
For a minute.
For a minute? So, 100. It's okay.
Okay. My tablet is charging right now, so the tablet can go over a cord and stuff. You'll probably see me holding down a cord or something. And there's pizza rolls behind me. I really want to eat.
So if they're hot, be careful.
I know. Thank you.
Did you make the whole bag?
Honey, some of them are very hot. I don't know which ones they are.
I just said you were going to make a lot. Make more than you usually do.
That's all there is, so I might as well make them.
Sure.
Did you pause it? Or is it still going?
I said one.
I think you could pause it and then restart it again.
No, because then you'll have to do it all.
I don't know how to do that, but I don't know how to mash them together or edit anything.
Be careful, some of them are very hot.
That's why I said we only have one shot of this, because I don't know how to do that. If anybody else knows how to do that, please tell me how. Because I don't. The crayon, is it melted yet?
Oh, some of it's melting now.
Come on. Bring it over. Did I leave the toothpicks in there?
Yes,
Oops.
you did.
That's okay.
Yeah, but it's going to turn pink and it's
It's
really warm.
The chapstick is starting to turn pink. It's warm now. So be careful with this part because it gets hot. And it's starting to break easier. So you can, if you poke at it, there'll probably be little holes and creases. It smells like chapstick, like a lot. I'm pretty sure you can also use coconut oil in place of the chapstick. You can also use beeswax, but we don't have any. They had a lot of chapstick. Try coconut oil though. It kind of took way longer to freeze. Alright. We broke it up a little bit more. So now, Marina, put it back in the microwave for another minute. And Mom's frying some pizza rolls. You hear the cracking in the background. Well, I'm just saying, that can kind of be annoying sometimes. That's why
When you're done, Mom, come say hi.
She doesn't have to.
Oh, wow.
Hi.
I probably shouldn't be eating.
Yeah, no, the pan is almost completely. It's hot now.
Take it. Be careful. Almost completely melted. There's just some chunks in there. The darker spots are like the chunks and stuff of the crayon.
Melted.
It's almost completely melted. This is going to be easier just to break this up really quick because it's getting hotter. Wow. She said pizza roll. Okay. This should be 30 seconds.
Okay.
Just to be sure, 45 seconds. It's working, Mom. We're almost at 10 minutes now.
Okay. These ones on this side are hot. Right here. These just came out. Right here. Don't touch
Okay,
those.
so I can
You
do
can eat
these
those.
ones.
I'm sure the other ones are hot, but they're not as
Okay.
hot. Those just came out the oil.
Alright, thanks.
What are you doing?
Waiting.
She's dancing.
Dancing while she waits. How lovely.
Yeah, that's my strategy, guys.
I do that too.
And once I'm
I
done,
just dance to the countdown when it gets to 3, 2, 1. I'm like, And go 3, 2, 1. Because I'm gonna go like that.
It's okay, I can do that.
It's completely melted, right?
Yes. No, it's not.
Is it hot?
Self hot. I
To
don't want
you.
you guys to burn yourself. I want to pretend like I did something. So
And if you do see, I made it.
And it's completely melted now, so.
Don't drink it.
Well, and then you pour it into your container that you choose.
I don't think that was enough.
It's gonna overflow like liquid probably. And that's how you make a DIY lip balm. Well,
And then you put it in the freezer.
we have to put it in the freezer first for like probably a day. Then that's how you make it. And yeah. Bye everybody. Subscribe. Bye bye.